And done. Finally, this Lego set is finally complete. Hey, Daddy, you want to see my greatest invention? Not now, Ralph. I'm currently admiring my beautiful Lego. Yeah, Daddy, this is what I made. I made a paper airplane. It's better than whatever that junk is. Ralph, this is not junk. This is Lego Technic. This is like the high quality Legos. This is the big league. So I don't know what you're talking about, but you shouldn't even be talking. Well, Daddy, that's just good for you. But you see, my airplane is way better than your Lego set. So I'm gonna throw it. Whatever, Ralph. Just don't throw it near me. Noted. Be free. This box is so heavy. Finally, my Lego tower has been built. Now I can sit back and relax. Alright, now I'm gonna build my next Lego set. Wait, what the? Oh wow, there's Ralph's airplane. Wait, what is it doing? It just knocked over my Lego sets! Wait, what the? It's still flying? Oh my god. I just saw it just... Oh my god. I'm gonna follow it. Man, I think I'm just gonna take a shower. You know, it's been a long day because of that tower. Man, it's a nice day to take a shower, I know. Get off of me! Ah, there you are. I don't think he's stopping. Stop right there. What? It's still flying? Oh, it crashed. Ah, gotcha now. Ah, finally. 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 I finally threw that paper airplane away. I can now finally relax. What the hell is this? What is this? It's probably nothing. Now finally, I can now build my Lego set.